S, yeah, GLAMOROUS. First class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I wanna change by the glamorous, ooh, flouncy, flouncy, the glamorous, glamorous by the glamorous, ooh, flouncy, flouncy.
Made it to the dunes. Should I go or should I not?
Go.
Going on the high. Oh, we're almost going to the highway. Oh, oh my goodness.
At the light, use the right 2 lanes to merge onto I-105 East.
Oh. Oh, so I just turned. I can use both lanes. Okay.
She's nervous.
I am nervous. Okay. Getting on the highway. Woo! First time on California highway. We're going to the Airbnb. We have an hour drive. So, see how this is. So let's see.
In about 13 miles, keep left onto I-605 North.
All right. It's not too bad. Not shabby.
This is the train station, y'all.
We've made it to the Airbnb. It is 3:28. We had an hour and 10-minute drive from wherever we were over yonder in Inglewood. So, I'm going to give you guys a tour. Spot is cute. Oh, I'm going to show you guys outside really quick. So this is the outside area. I'm driving that white car right there. And then we come in. The door, you have like your code lock. I'm double locking it. So this is the overview. It's very cute, simple. So you have a sitting area right here. And then TV, of course, like a rocking chair. This is a couch where I probably will be sitting, watching a movie later, eating something, because I don't think I'm doing anything else today. The dining table. Here's a cute kitchen. So they have a microwave, they have a fridge, stove, and then all the fixings. So some utensils, olive oil, salt, different seasonings over here. This is what it looks like outside. So kind of connecting another building. So that's what this looks like. They have 2 cute mirrors here. Very nice. And very nice and put together. So then they have like extra sheets and stuff here. There's towels down here. Bathroom, shower, and then we just have 1 bedroom, which is fine. So we have the 1 bed and then the closet here, mirror here, and if you want, this sofa turns into a bed, but I don't think we may use it. Oh, this looks like a charging cord. But yeah, pretty nice. So we bought a few things from the store today. Got some peanuts and stuff, strawberry crackers, tomato, avocado, some eggs so we can boil eggs in the morning. White nectarine, because this is my favorite. That's it. That was it. Today we also had In-N-Out. And it's okay. But the hype is just not like I thought it was going to be. Like how I hear everybody like, oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. No. To me, it was just a normal regular burger. The animal style fries was just some, to me, stale type of cheese and some caramelized onion on top, and then the animal type sauce that they put. The fries were very salty, I will say that. Other than that, it was okay. We're gonna see what's around the area tonight for dinner, but we don't plan to do anything else for the rest of today. I'm tired. I know my mom's tired, so we're done. It's more than likely just shower and TV time. Then we'll just grab something to eat later on. Oh, they left us some snacks. Mm-hmm. Well, that's nice of them. Is that coffee too?
Some coffee, yes, cafe
Bustelo. They have any tea? And some bottled water.
Yeah, that's what's even olive oil and big salt.
I saw that. Maybe the water is for the Keurig.
Okay.
So we can use it for the Keurig. And yeah, so we'll talk later. I'm actually going to eat one of those now. Disregard the bonnet. But we went to this ramen spot called Ramen Boiler Room, and we picked up 2 different ramen. So my mom got a chicken one, and let me show you guys what it looks like. So there's packages separately. This is so this is a chicken one, so it has cilantro, lemon, the egg, and then in here it has the broth. She got spicy. I got just regular. Okay, so I just got regular, no spicy, and then this is my broth. And then we got spoons, and then the chile. And we're about to eat this. Starving. Good morning. Happy Thursday. It's the 12th. We are getting ready to leave the Airbnb. I'm putting on my socks and my shoes right now. We are going horseback riding. So we are going to Sunset Ranch to do horseback riding today. Our reservation time for that is at 10 a.m. But we're going to go a little early. We're going to try to leave here at 7:45 because the Airbnb that we're at is in West Covina. And it's going to be about 50-minute drive to Sunset Ranch. And before we go to Sunset Ranch, we're going to go to Lake Hollywood Park so we can try to get a picture of the Hollywood sign before it gets busy out there. So that's the plan right now. It got pretty cool last night. Dropped to like 49, I guess. But it was nice. I slept well. Like, I slept like a baby, okay? Because I was so tired. But, yeah, that's the plan. I put this headband on my head because I know we're going to put helmets on just to keep up here flat. I don't know what the back is going to look like, but we'll see. And then maybe later I can start styling my curls and doing some stuff to it, because right now it's giving baby doll. I feel like I look like a child. And it's taking a long time for it to drop for some reason, but whatever. So this is the look. Got my headband, my curls. I got on some earrings, my glasses. I got on this Lily Pulitzer pullover top. I got on black leggings, and then I'm gonna wear my Colehan sneakers because they're comfortable. And yeah, then after that, it's about a 2-hour, I think it's a 2-hour ride with the horses. And then after that, we'll go grab some lunch. We have an idea of where we're gonna go. One of my coworkers was telling me about this hot dog spot, so we might go check that out because I think it's 5 minutes from Sunset Ranch, and then we'll come back here, chill out, relax for a few hours, and then we're gonna go to Grand Central Market. And then we got a movie at the Rooftop Cinema. My mom never seen The Notebook, and she wanted to see it, so we're gonna go watch that today. And yeah, that'll be the itinerary for today. Like, we're not trying to do too much. Oh, then when we're done with the hot dog, I think we're gonna go to the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Hollywood Star Walk of Fame, Hollywood Walk of Fame, whatever it's called. But we're gonna go over there. I think we're just gonna take a quick look around and see what that area is giving. And then from there, we'll come back over here. So that's the plan. Been enjoying my time here. It's been nice and chill so far. I had a little bit of anxiety with driving, but I'm getting better. Only because it's a new place, but it's okay. What else? That's it. We're about to eat some eggs. We're making some boiled eggs and with some avocado, and I more than likely will be vlogging off my phone for the horse riding because we can't take too many items with us. We're only allowed to take one, I think, and that's gonna be my phone, so I can take pictures and videos at the same time. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get to Lake Hollywood Park, and then when we go to horseback riding. I'm so excited. It's not my first time riding a horse, but it's my mom's first time, so she's pretty excited. So yeah. Ooh, I can't wait to style my hair later. My curls. But yeah, let me go eat so we can leave because it's 7:30. We're gonna leave at 7:45. Here is today's breakfast. We got boiled egg, avocado, and tomato. Okay.
Like we're making up for lost time. Need you to spell it out for me. Crossing over on all lines. It's like a type of.
Okay, we made it to Sunset Ranch. We got buzzed in. Now we're gonna go. Here it is. Now we gotta walk up this hill. So we're gonna walk up there and then see what else we have to do.
So, Amy's gonna take Bear. Oh, it's Tank. Just kidding. Amy, this is Tank. This is not Bear.
On the horsey. Oh my gosh. I have Gucci. Oh my gosh. She's so pretty. Look at LA. Oh my goodness. I think that's an observatory all the way over there. This is beautiful. I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm doing this, y'all. My mom is nervous. I'm all the way in the back. I haven't been able to get a picture of myself yet, but hopefully I can. Oh my gosh, the moors. And the mountains are beautiful. Can't wait to see the Hollywood sign. We were originally going to do a 2-hour drive or a 2-hour ride, but then we cut it down to 1 hour. So, sign. Oh gosh, I'm going rocky here. Oh, I don't know if you want to be on camera, but we are on our way to Pink's Hot Dog. The famous one. My coworker said on La Brea Avenue. I don't know if there's a line. I don't know anything about this place. We did park on the side and we paid. Thankfully, I didn't have to actually parallel park. Then after this, we'll probably drive down the Hollywood Walk of Fame and then go back to the Airbnb, rest a little, and get ready for later. But did you have a good time going
Horseback riding. I was a bit scared, but I think I relaxed a little. It's of a lifetime.
She was a lot of scared. So we got onion rings, shack dog, Gustavo. This is my mom's on. She wanted the guac. Hopefully you guys are not too up close and personal. But we went to Pink's Hot Dog. That was really good. I give that one, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I thought it was, yeah, I thought it was very good. It wasn't overly filling where you feel like you're sluggish and like you ate too much, right? And then we went to Voodoo Donuts, which was literally right next door. Probably shouldn't eat this because it's ain't voodoo. But we're gonna try the donut anyway. I got a churro cheesecake. You clean your hands, right? Yep. I cleaned mine, and my mom got a
Old-fashioned glaze.
old-fashioned glaze. So
Nothing
this is huge. I will not be eating all. I'm gonna take yours out. Did we grab napkin? I thought we did. Oh, I probably sorry. It's in my. I think it's in here. Hold on. You can put yours over. This is her old-fashioned glaze. And then this is the churro cheesecake. So, oh, cheers.
It's okay.
The churro. I think it's stuffed with some cream in here. Try it.
It's sweet.
Yeah, take yours up so I can put it at the bottom. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, and because of how I'm pink, he gave me a discount. So that was a nice treat.
You got hers for free.
Yeah, mine was totally for free. So that donut was like $4, and then he took it off, and we only paid for my mom's own. Okay, so now we're gonna try to drive to the Hollywood Walk of Fame and see if we can get out there for a little bit before we drive back to the Airbnb, and then we're gonna hit the road. So I'll show you guys if we make it there. Hopefully we find parking just like this one, and
Park a little.
we have luck. So all right. Okay. So we're back. We showered, and now we're about to head back out. We are going to Rooftop Cinema. It is, I think it's almost 5:15. It's a 45-minute drive, and we want to get there at 6 because the movie starts at 6:30, and seating is first come, first serve. So our plans kind of switched around a little bit. We were supposed to go to the Grand Central Market, but we weren't going to have enough time because we got back at like minutes to 4, sat for a little shower, got ourselves together, and now here we are. So tomorrow we'll go to Grand Central Market rather than Yard House like we were going to. We got a Yard House where we live, so we're just gonna opt out and go somewhere that is new. So we're going to the Rooftop Cinema. If you've never been, it's a very nice experience. The ticket that we purchased comes with a cup of hot cocoa, and then it has the heated lamp, so you get some heat. I'm bringing also a shawl just for extra comfort. We are going to be watching The Notebook, and they should be giving headphones as well. So I'll show you guys the experience when we get there. I have on this nice burnt orange sweater from Ann Taylor. Here are my jewelry on my son, and Big Dog watch. And then my bottoms, I have on my Gucci belt, jeans from Ann Taylor, and Sam Edelman gold shoes. And then I'm just gonna pair it with my Gucci clutch bag. So that's it. You ready to do yours? Oh, you don't have to do yours? Okay, this is my mom's outfit of the night. Wait, I gotta put the camera on you. You posing. Now show them. So outfit from Ann Taylor, Gucci belt. Let's see. She got Tory flats on, the makeup on the face.
Oh, not really.
And then her Tory bag. So, all right.
Ready to roll.
We're ready to hit the road again. I just threw my hair up in something. So, I am a set driver, so let's go.
Me to your best friend. I can come slide right in. Satellite ain't even that far. I kinda wonder where you are. Already know I can leave it alone. Oh my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. I'd like to think you feel the same way, but I can't tell with you sometimes. So baby, let's get on the same page. Stop making me read between the lines. Already know I can leave it alone. Oh my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, 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 be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man, man.
Okay, so we're ready for. Wait, this is better lighting. Good morning. We're ready for the winery. It is 9:17 or 9:18. We need to be heading out the house in like 2 minutes to get gas and then hit the road because we have an hour and 10-minute drive, 64 miles from where we are. Outfit of the day. I have on this sleeveless turtleneck top with these leather pants, like so much. You can't even see them. Tory Burch flats that match. And then the star of the show is my cosmetic bag purse that was supposed to be for cosmetics, but I used it for a purse. So we're gonna wear that with the outfit, and that's it. My mom, I don't know if she wants to do her. Do you want to do an OOTD? Okay. Okay. Show us your outfit.
Oh, my purse, story. And my espadrilles, story. With some antenna white jeans and a sweater top. Of course, sporting my Gucci belts right here.
Gosh. Okay, yeah, but we're gonna leave because we gotta go. We're not supposed to be there until 11, but to me, LA traffic has just been out of control. I just feel like you never know what you're gonna get. As soon as you get on the highway, your time extends. You just never know. So we're going to do that, and I'll show you guys the whole experience because it's a different experience than normal wine tasting. So we'll talk when we get there.
All that weather.
Yes, I know, because it's been gnarly on the East Coast.
Yeah.
Has Florida had bad weather?
Oh, it's been in the 30s.
Yeah, what? That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
That's like polar vortex for Florida.
Yes. Yes.
No one has the clothes for it. Light skin contact, so it's not going to have all of that phenolic bitterness that a lot of orange wines can have. This one's very sweet, not cloyingly sweet, because the skin does give it a little bit of dimension. Orange blossom, lychee, sweet lemon, and pear. It is truly a crowd favorite at this point. People are obsessed with it. Even the people that come in and they're like, I like cabs, they will get behind this wine. Yeah. Okay, cheers, dears.
Cheers.
I'm gonna work on getting that out. Okay. What do y'all think?
Nice.
Good.
I know.
Yeah.
In a good, it's still the morning.
It's like a
It's
bread.
good breakfast wine.
Yeah.
Let's go check out the view. I'll tell you about the property. Here is Turtle Rock, but I think it looks like Donkey Kong from this angle. Do you see it? What do you see?
The rock right there, right?
Yeah, right there. You need some more wine.
Okay.
You gotta
Yeah,
get creative.
exactly.
Okay. You can see Donkey
I can see Donkey Kong.
Oh. I do. I see it.
Yeah.
I'm not just saying that to everybody else.
So Ronnie Simler bought this property in 1970.
These are all antique Land Rovers. The Volkswagens that we're in. We're at the vineyard, by the way. Look at the view, y'all. It's so pretty. Behind the white fence
But in front of that low, shallow brick wall, that's a sanctioned helicopter landing zone. So when Brad Pitt was filming Mr. and Mrs. Smith, he got it written into his contract. He would ride his motorcycle from his home in Malibu to here, fly in a helicopter from here to downtown LA to film, and then fly back to avoid traffic.
Wow.
As you do. These are grafted vines on either side. So this is what, they're coming into their 5th season. So this is what like 4 years of growth looks like. So they produce grapes. They're just not at the quality or quantity we would use for the wine yet, but they'll use them this year. Most of our horses are privately boarded, so people just pay to keep their horses here. It's a cool place to board because you get full run of the 1,100 acres as long as you're with your horse. So you can ride anywhere on the property. Now, what does that cost? I don't know. So this big body of water, this is all collected rainwater. That's the water we use to water the grapes. It has rained so much this year already. It is completely full. We would be fine if it didn't rain anymore the rest of the year, but it's gonna rain 3 days next week. So I don't care, as long as I'm not working, it can rain all at once. Just don't mess with my money. The door to nowhere is supposed to look like a door that survived a fire and the beauty that remains after devastation. It's art. We plant roses at the end of vines because they act like a canary in a coal mine, right? So if the vines get sick with pests or disease, it'll show on the roses first. So when you see bugs on the roses, what did you, oh, okay.
So there was not much to do.
Well, it's just kind of a small.
It really is, yeah. It's very limited, but it was just,
In 1769, the conquistadors coming up from Mexico. So this one has one of those metal conquistador helmets that swoops up in the front and back. This is how the Chumash depicted themselves. So this is the chief here at the top with the antlers, the hierarchy of the tribe. So Chumash artifacts have been found as far north as the Oregon border, as far south as Baja California. So they were all up and down the coast. UCLA came out and did a field study, carbon dated everything. These top orange drawings date back to the late 1700s, 1769, 1770. But all of this black is also paint covering up older pictographs. And the markings underneath date back all the way to 500 AD. How are they still here, right? Wine. I'll give you actual wine.
Beverly Hills. It's giving very, very bougie. I had to drive down Rodeo Drive and I didn't want to, but I drove down and they have a parking garage nearby, which I'll put in the description box. That is 2 hours free for the first, free for the first 2 hours. And then free for the first 2 hours. And then I think $3 for every hour after that. But I'm specifically here to find the Beverly Hills sign, and then that's it. We're not gonna be here even for the 2 hours. I feel like my hair looks messy now. Okay, here is Beverly Gardens Park, supposedly where they have the Beverly sign and take a picture. If it's over there where all those people are gathered, then that's probably where it's at. All the way over there. All those people. So we're gonna try to go snap a picture. Look at the puppy. So we can go. 2 hour free parking. To me, Rodeo Drive looks like a Palm Beach. Palm Beach Island. That's it. So here's the infamous Beverly Hills sign. Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys. We are getting ready to go to our perfume making class at Daniel's Tree. The class starts at 11, but we're going to leave at 10 so that we can make it there on time. It's about a 32-minute drive from where we are at. It's going to be in Anaheim. I'll put the address and everything in the description box. I have on a really cute outfit today, and I put on my YSL perfume. I'm very excited to go and make some perfume and see what else they have there to take home with me. Today's our last full day here, so after perfume making, I'm not sure what else we're going to get into. Maybe we might go to a mall just to walk around and see what they have, and just chilling out. But we're going to stay in the Anaheim area because I'm not going to go back to LA until I have to go to the airport because it is congested and the traffic, wow, crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to check in, let you guys know what's going on, and I'll see you guys when we get to the perfume place. I'm so excited. Before I forget, outfit of the day. I got no, I didn't do my outfit of the day. Before I forget, outfit of the day, I have on this sweater blazer type top from Ann Taylor. They're not cargo pants, but almost like palazzo pants. And I have on my gold St. Edelman shoes, jewelry, and then my Gucci side bag right here. So that's today's look, comfy and nice. And then, shall you do yours or no?
No.
Okay, she don't want to do hers. So you'll probably see her later on when we're doing perfume making.
You've done it before, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. What you said? Okay.
Beautiful, thank you.
care about your first impression, I say focus in a little bit more on your top note. This one is split up into two different categories. Under fruity is going to be lemon, bergamot, orange, grapefruit, and pineapple. Under herbal is going to be grass, citrus blossom, and clove. Citrus blossom is honestly more floral than it is herbaceous. I was just too lazy to make a third category on the slide. If you look to your right, you are going to see a stack of these white scent papers. I want you to pick one up for me. And if you look on the front, it's gonna have a more blank side that just has the Getting Truth logo and brand name. On the back is a bunch of gibberish on it. For today's class, we're only focusing on the more blank side. Okay? And using your pens, everyone should have a pen. At the bottom, I want you to write top as we are creating our top note. Okay, so, and you can put the paper down, put the pen down. This is the part where I want you to focus in a little bit, okay? Because there's kind of a lot. So you're gonna smell all of the different top notes one by one, see what you like, see what you don't like. Let's say, for example, I really like citrus blossom, right? And I'm gonna put however many drops of citrus blossom I want. Let's say 4 drops, right? I'll put 4 drops of citrus blossom on the scent paper. Then let's say my second favorite is going to be pineapple. Then I'm gonna put 2 drops of pineapple directly on top of where I put my citrus blossom drops, not adjacent to, directly on top. Because you want to see how they blend together. And let's say like my third favorite is like bergamot, so I put a drop of bergamot on top as well. Then, once I figure out my ratio and I smell it and I like it, or I love it, right? On my fragrance recipe form, underneath the top note section, you're gonna see a series of numbers. I want you to write down what ingredients you're using. So for my case, I'm using citrus blossom, pineapple, bergamot. Next to the names, I want you to put how many drops you've used of each. So 4, 2, 1 for my case, right? The drop count is important because if you don't write it down, you're going to forget and you're gonna end up freestyling your fragrance and it will smell bad and I will say it to your face. Okay? I only speak the truth, right? Traffic from LA. Or mine, really? Okay, so right now we're creating our top note.
This one looks interesting.
And the bottom, what you write top. For today's class, we're only focusing on one side.
It is.
And then you're gonna smell all these different colors. So you can actually like see what you like. For example, here, and then I like pineapple, so I'll put pineapple correctly from the top, like citrus blossom, not adjacent to it, directly on the top. You want to see it, right?
Yes. What was that?
So then 4 citrus blossom, 1 pineapple,
4 citrus blossom.
And then we're gonna write this do not use.
smells a little lighter. It's not as pineapple.
1 pineapple.
Okay, we're back from Perfume making and Red Lobster, and we're in for the rest of the day. We're not going anywhere else doing anything. We have food here for later if we need the food. We're just gonna pack, chill out, and relax before we leave to go to the airport tomorrow morning. So, yeah. Good morning. Happy Sunday. It's my birthday. I am packing the car for us to go to the airport. It is 8:04 right now. Our flight is not until like 1:20. We're boarding at 12:30, but y'all, but where we have to go is about a 45-minute drive to drop off the car, and then we got a shuttle to the airport, go through the whole check-in. And I'm not familiar with LA airport, how their check-in goes, if it's a long process or not. So just want to go early and get it over with, and then from there we'll wait at the terminal. So I just wanted to tell you guys that that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to go get my mom's luggage so that I can put it in, and then we should be heading out of here by 8:30. I got this comfy loungewear outfit on from Target that I'm wearing for the airport with my cold hand sneakers to go back. And yeah, I'm excited to go back. I feel so inspired and ready to get things done. So it's a really good birthday trip. Really, really good. I can't complain. Only thing I can say is LA traffic, but that's nothing, I can stop. Nothing we could do about it, but everything else was.